So here's what I'm working with. I'm gonna have to get on a ladder and clean all behind here. Again, I'm gonna try and see if I can. It's just dusty. When I say dusty, crusty, whew, I don't even know if I can get. Anyway, it's not much I can do with the position of the washer, because if you have both units facing the same direction, it constrains the door right here. So I've got this pink, guys. I was going to tell you about this. And as you can see, the top of the dryer is rusty. And I've heard really good things about this. So one of the things that it's supposed to be really good in cleaning is, I hope I can focus, but as you can see, barbecue Teflon saucepan, pans, cooker tops, sinks, UPVC, barbecue, ceramic tiles, glass, showers, garden furniture, paintwork, boats, brass, rust. So we're going to try this today. We're going to get into this right now before CB gets home. I think if I do that, then I'll feel good if I don't get a chance to film anything else. So let's get to work. Here we go, guys. We have the beads here, which is what I bought from Sam's. So I need to make sure that I put the beads in the right. How the heck they expect you to, you know what? It's all right. I'm gonna put them in a napkin like this, because the opening of these jars are small. They should have put the beads one at least a little bit bigger, because it's tiny. It's real tiny. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put this on a napkin holder, y'all, and I'm gonna, okay, these are the beads right here. Oh, don't tell me. Y'all, no, don't y'all eat those. No, this is an epic failure. Don't you? Woo, y'all. I don't know about this. Okay, so the one for the beads, I don't know. Because I have the dogs, and it's a small opening. Look at this. So, I don't know. Anyway, let me focus on this and I'll come right back. So guys, I'm done. I'm finished with filling up the containers and the dryer sheets. So they turned out pretty good. Take a look. So the bleach, I am totally surprised at the color. I didn't know that bleach was that color. But anyway, the softener, the beads, the detergent, and the dryer sheets. So guys, I'm here trying to start cleaning out the laundry room. As you can see, I just started removing everything from the dryer as well as the washing machine, and just showing you a clip of what I'm doing here. Guys, this is just clear water on one of my microfiber towels. Just gonna clean it off right now. And then, like I said, I'll have to pull out everything tomorrow, hopefully before CD gets home. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but it may happen over the weekend. I don't know. It's hard to be pulling everything out and cleaning it and rearranging it. I don't know. We'll see. It takes time to really go through everything and clean it like it should be. So I have a feeling that the rust is going to come up, but some of the paint has come off. So honey, I don't know. There's no hope for this dryer, but I tell you what. Miss Debbie's not buying another one just because it's ugly. Yeah, we're going to use this dryer until it's not usable anymore. But I definitely wanted to clean this off, so I at least have, let me just show you guys. Yeah, it's a lot of rust on here. I had a lot of stuff on here, so it's partly my fault. Okay, y'all. That was quick. It's not as clean as I would like it, but let me tell you something. That stuff works. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this. Now, like I said, this part right here, that was, I mean, it is what it is. The paint started to come off, but it cleaned it, guys. It cleaned it. So I can't wait to really get down and dirty and clean both of them, the wash and everything. So tomorrow is trash day here, so I am going to go through a lot of this stuff. And some of it I have to discard in a different way because it's chemicals. But some of the stuff that's already empty, stuff that I'm not using, it's going in the garbage today. So I'm going to label this video part 1 because I'm not finished. I need to do the washing machine, behind the washing machine, all of that. And then on the shelves, let me show shelving up here that I'm going to clean out. And all of that is going to go probably in one or two areas, either trash or the hazardous waste. So, yep. So y'all now, stay tuned. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye. Hey y'all, it's Saturday afternoon. Your girl been busy at work, but I'm not done. Ooh, I look cray cray. Anyway, I've been working on the laundry room. I've got it almost completed, but I had an issue. I'm gonna show you what I had an issue with. So what I had an issue with, guys, is I put a hole in the wall. I put a hole in the wall. Overall, I'm happy with the results. Guys, it was so dusty in here, and we have allergies. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe I call myself clean. And you know, I guess I never even thought about getting up on that top shelf and wiping it down. But now I'm gonna put that on my to-do list on a yearly basis. But I cleaned the machines, the dryer. Y'all, I started thinking about it. The dryer is 18 years old and the washing machine is 15, I think. So when I used the pink stuff, let me show you what I used. So this is what I used right here. And it does work. It works, guys. It does work. So, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. The new hamper here, and then the laundry sign there. And then I think I'm gonna use these wire racks. I think I like the way they look. I don't want baskets. So I think I'm gonna go back to at home to get some more of those. And guys, the favorite thing that I have is this thing. So as you can see, each one of the bottles are designated for different things. I love this. I love it. So let me just step back and show you guys. It's a small room in here. I mean, this room is so tiny. I got on the ceilings. I cleaned the ceilings, the vents, and hey, anyway, this is the way it's looking, guys. I'm liking it. It looks clean. And there's a dryer sheets up there. So it all works. It all works, and it just looks clean and everything's organized. Now, once I get I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot to find out what I need to do for that. I know how to patch holes, but yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna get that done. But I'll get it hung. Once I do, I'll come back on here and I'll show you guys the final result. I pulled what I could out with the machines and cleaned behind. Remember, it was all gross and nasty back there. I cleaned that. Yeah. It was horrible. It was horrible. So it could use a good paint job in here, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna torture myself like that. It's too small in here. And as long as the walls are pretty clean and everything is organized, I'm good. But I love this. And you know what, guys? I had it turned the right way when I showed you guys when I did the unboxing. It was turned the right way. I love it. Love, love, love it. Yep. So guys, that's going to be it for the day. I'm going to put a clip in how I filled up those jars and the beginning of the video. So I may need to introduce this video. So hey, if you're new here, welcome to Our Circle Plus. My name is Debbie. I have a son that is on the autism spectrum, and his name is CB. His name is Clinton Bridge, but we call him CB. So I just decided to document my journey. And on this channel, you'll see daily life with him, vlogs, some DIY projects, and maybe a little travel. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for your support. And guys, I'm tired. I'm going to sit down for a little bit and clean my glasses because my glasses are probably full of dust or what have you. So I'm itchy too, so I'm going to have to take me a bath. But anyway, I will see you guys on Monday. Tomorrow is reset, relax, and I will upload that for Monday. So, yep, I'm going to do my own little spa treatment, and I'm just going to share what I do. I'm going to treat myself. Sometimes you got to do that. You know, I've had a rough week this week, but I have two choices. I can either wallow in it or I can keep it moving. I chose the latter. So, keep myself positive, surrounded around positive people, positive thoughts, and I keep moving. So, I hope you do the same. So, we'll see you soon. Bye. Guys, so this is what I was trying to hang up. Like I said, I need to get on the ladder to even reach up there, but I'll get it hung. And when I do, I'll show you guys what it looks like.